before I read my statement from Tibetan Association of California. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Tenzin Tsedup. I'm the president of Tibetan Association of Northern California. And I bring today 6 cards for all the deceased ones. This is our Tibetan tradition to offer scarf. And I would request one of the church members to offer this scarf for the memo. Before I read my statement, I would like to thank Baptist Church for this meaningful prayer vigil. I really thank you all for the wonderful prayer vigil. And I would also like to thank Mayor Juan and all the leaders here and all the pastors on the right. Thank you. So I'm going to read down the statement from Tibetan Association of Northern California on this tragic incident. Tibetan Association of Northern California joins the entire community to express our deepest condolences to the family members and relatives of our community member Sonam Chodon, Tsering Bhutia, and other victims of this terrible tragedy. This shocking incident hurts our whole community and is a painful situation for the entire Bay Area. Our thoughts and prayers goes out to the family members of the victims and our community. I knew Sonam for many years. We went to school together. Sonam Chodon was a simple and kind young woman who worked for the Tibetan government in exile in India for 5 years before she arrived in San Francisco Bay Area. Many of our Tibetan brothers and sisters are dying in Tibet under the Chinese repressive policy and Chinese Communist government. We came to the United States for the better life and never anticipated such violence to occur here. This is a tragedy indeed, but we all must unite as a community and teach compassion and love for all human beings. The Association of Northern California is a community-based organization, it's a community-owned organization, and our program and events are open to all. And last I would say that we will be hosting right now at 7 p.m. at our Tibetan Community Center at Richmond to pray for all the lost ones, for the swift rebirth of all victims. And everyone are welcome to join us.